In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Windows 10 step by step in a simple and stress-free way. If you're new to using a computer or just want to make sure everything is working properly, this guide is for you. Keeping Windows 10 updated is important because updates help your computer run smoothly, fix problems, and protect it from security risks. The good news is that checking for updates is easy and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Start button. It has the Windows logo on it. Once you click it, a menu will pop up. In that menu, find an option called Update and Security. It looks like a small gear. Click on it to open the Settings window, where you control how your computer works. Now that Settings is open, look for an option called Update and Security. Click on that. This section is where Windows manages updates and keeps your system protected. On the left side, you'll see Windows Update. Click on it if it's not already selected. This is where you check for new updates. Next, click the button that says Check for Updates. Windows will now search for any updates available for your computer. This may take a moment, so be patient. If updates are found, Windows will start downloading and installing them automatically. During this time, your computer might slow down a little, which is normal. It's best to let the updates finish without interrupting the process. Some updates may require a restart to complete. If Windows asks you to restart your computer, make sure to do it. Restarting helps the updates install correctly and keeps your system running properly. That's really all there is to it. Checking for updates regularly is a simple habit that helps keep your computer secure and running at its best. And that's how you update Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.